Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by installing Easeus Data Recovery Wizard and selecting Free or Pro. Make sure the program is on a healthy system. Once done, stop writing to the affected drive. That prevents overwrites. Connect any external drive via USB and open the app. You'll see disks and partitions listed. Select the target volume and pick Quick Scan to locate recent deletions fast, then click Scan to start. This first step builds the file list you'll refine next. Once the quick scan finishes, make sure to run deep scan for formatted drives or complex losses. Deep scans take longer but find more fragments. You'll see thousands of items. Use filters like file type, size, and date to narrow results quickly. Preview images, documents, and videos in the right pane so you can confirm what's recoverable. Make selective choices rather than bulk restoring everything. This saves space and speeds recovery. When satisfied, mark files for recovery and proceed. You're at the last stage. Recover selected files to a separate drive, never the original because overwriting ruins further attempts. Once files are copied, open several samples to verify integrity. Make sure documents and media play or load correctly. If some files are corrupted, try built-in repair tools or rerun deep scan with generous time. If you still can't recover critical data, stop using the drive and consult professional data recovery services. This avoids further damage and increases the chance of success.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.